Hello everyone. Today we will see how to autofill data in a worksheet. We will see number, month, date, few things. We will autofill. So let's start. If we type 1 and then we want to give a serial that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just like this, then we have to show the pattern to Excel so that they will do the subsequent part. So at least we have to show the pattern. So after 1 we will type 2. Excel will recognize that there is no number gap, that is 1 2, the third will be 3. So to do that, we have to select and drag through this. So both of them are selected. Then look at the current mouse pointer. It is a plus sign, but it's thicker. When we move it to here, the sign is still plus sign, but it is thicker, a little bit different. So when it appears, click and drag until you want to make this. Okay, so you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is this pattern it has maintained official in our official work. uh, we need to do this often. Okay, so if let's say another example. First we type 1 and we type 3. So from this pattern Excel will recognize that there is one number gap, that is after 1 2 is not there, and 3. So the next number will be 5, because 4 will be omitted, the number will be 5. Let's see how Excel does it. uh, Select and drag until 3, then from here drag this through this row. Then 1 3, we can see there is no 4, 5 there is no 6, 7. We can another type 1 then 5. So what is happening between 1 and 5? 2 3 and 4, that is three numbers are gone. So the next number will be uh, 5 6 7 8. This will be gone, the next number will be 9. Let's see whether Excel does it or not. So drag this until this, then drag it from here to here. Let's see. 4 5, after 5 there is 9, 10, 11, 12 gone, there is 13. So this is how we autofill the numbers. We need this one frequently in our work. These are very few we use this thing. Now how we can autofill, for example, month. Let's see, January. Then we don't need to type February. If we select January and we drag from here to here, we will see that Excel has given all this month name, January to December. If we type Saturday, okay, select this and drag through this. Okay, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, again Saturday. Okay, so this is the pattern. I am showing the month again. uh, January. uh, Click, drag through this, you will see after December the pattern is uh, looping, repeating again. Okay, so now we'll see it whatever happens to date. uh, for example, 12 1 024. This is the default of Excel is first it shows the month, then date, and then year. But in some countries, uh, the date number appears first, then month, then year. So we will see both of them. So if we now click this and drag from here to here, we will see that this all these are month number December, 1 2 3 4. All the dates of December's are available here. Okay, uh, but if we want to change the format of these dates, that is first date number, then month number, then year, then select this whole thing, then right click, go to format cells, go custom. You will see the existing pattern, that is first month, date and year, but you have to change it to first date, then month, and finally year. Okay, it's done. Click OK. Okay, you'll see first date 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 up to 31. All these months number is December, that is 12, then 2024 year number. So that's all for today. I hope it helps. Thank you very much.